All right, engine tear down day dos. So already kind of started underneath and unhooked and stuff. So we're just gonna carry on. Got lots of stuff to pull off to get the motor out. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, so about an hour later, and we got all the accessory stuff off of the engine here, and it's just sitting there ready to be plucked. I'm gonna go underneath it and just check. I'm gonna pull the transmission out. I decided to do that. It's just so much easier without the transmission in there. So we'll pluck the transmission out, and yeah. But man, when you see the engine sitting here in that engine bay like that, you just kind of think like, man, you almost want to just run it naturally aspirated, but that would be no fun, now would it? So that guy is in there, all stripped out, and yeah. So check it out, like the ports. You can see where just a little bit. You can see where the injectors are spraying. See how clean it looks down there where the injectors spray because of the ethanol, and that's kind of a benefit. So hopefully, kind of clean up the back of those valves and stuff and make disassembly a little bit easier. So yeah, I'm gonna bring it up. We'll get the transmission plucked out of it, and that'll probably be it for the night because it'd be awfully loud to haul my. It's late, and it'd be loud to haul my engine hoist out of the garage and out to the shop. So that's where we're at. Okay, successful night. As long as we're filming, we might as well be succeeding. So, the motor is all unbuttoned. Actually, there's one thing I need to do. I need to unhook the line to the turbo oil filter, and that'd be a good idea. But yeah, our transmission's gone. It is took the flywheel off. Our bolts are knocked loose for the engine mounts on either side, so tomorrow we just pop those out and pull this guy up and out. Oh yeah, and also got to deal with that ground. Always forget the ground. But you know, you got a strong enough engine crane, you're gonna get it loose. So anyway, I'll get those two last things done, and then tomorrow we'll just pop it out of there. So that should be relatively short work, and then we can start ripping the engine apart. Yay.